Hi, I'm Tara from business in NUS. I started my own home bakery called Taramisu. I've actually been baking since I was 10, which is around P4. I was actually inspired by my mom's recipe for banana chocolate chip muffins, which I really love. Originally, I baked just for fun and I would just give it to my friends. Then eventually it branched out into a business. It became a very unlikely source of earning money. At first I was afraid because I thought no one would buy, but I just kept getting orders and it's actually my dream to eventually open up a cafe or a bakery. Most of my cake recipes are pretty standard: cream the butter and sugar, add the eggs. I really try my best to use butter that I find gives the most flavor, or even ingredients I don't want to settle for random baking chocolate. I use Valrhona and cocoa powder as well. And also maybe the freshness of my baked goods. I try not to bake more than 2 days in advance, or you can taste the staleness. Pursue our dreams and do whatever we want, because everyone starts from nowhere. Even when it's difficult to master a recipe, I think just keep trying and you eventually get it.